for the right vehicle? Check out the 2014 Chevrolet Suburban. Suburban exceeds at towing heavy trailers, hauling loads of people and gear, and enduring hard use and rugged terrain. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, backup camera, anti-lock braking system, remote engine start, tow hitch, power passenger seat, stability control, traction control, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, auto-dimming rear view mirror, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, floor mats, premium sound system. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.